Just a few decades ago, Singapore was struggling with poverty, unemployment, and an uncertain future. Where does all the money in Singapore come from? And why are billionaires moving their money there instead of countries filled with oil, gas, and natural resources? You've probably heard this before. Singapore is just a tiny island with no oil, no gas, and almost no natural resources. But what if I told you Singapore didn't become rich because of what it had, it became rich because of what it built? Today, Singapore's economy is worth hundreds of billions of dollars. Its passport is one of the most powerful in the world, and its financial system is trusted by investors across the globe. The answer to how Singapore got so crazy rich is hidden in a series of smart decisions that transformed a struggling island into one of the world's most powerful financial hubs. So, let's uncover the decisions that changed Singapore forever. Decision number 1. Singapore doesn't sell natural resources. It sells trust. Decision number 2. Singapore didn't become wealthy because of its size. It became wealthy because of its location. One of the world's busiest shipping routes passes right by Singapore, and instead of letting ships simply pass through, Singapore turned itself into a global trade hub. Every day, cargo is unloaded, stored, repaired, insured, financed, and shipped again, creating value at every single step. Singapore wasn't just moving goods. It was making money from the services behind global trade. While many countries depended on natural resources, Singapore turned its geography into one of its greatest economic advantages. Decision number 3. Instead of exporting raw materials, Singapore mastered the business of adding value. Although it produces almost no crude oil, it became one of the world's largest oil refining and trading hubs, buying raw materials, adding value, and exporting higher value products worldwide. That same strategy spread across chemicals, electronics, and advanced manufacturing, proving that creating value is often more profitable than simply owning resources. Decision number 4. There's another reason why billionaires don't just visit Singapore. They move their money there. For the wealthy, protecting money is often more important than making more of it. Global banks, investment firms, and thousands of family offices have chosen Singapore because wealth looks for safety, stability, and certainty. And when billions of dollars flow into one country, they don't just sit in bank accounts. They finance businesses, create jobs, and attract even more investment. It's a powerful cycle. Money attracts businesses, businesses attract talent, and talent brings even more money. That's one of the biggest reasons why Singapore became a global financial powerhouse without relying on natural resources. Decision number 5. Instead of becoming the cheapest country, Singapore focused on becoming the smartest and the most efficient. With world-class ports, modern airports, advanced digital systems, and fast government services, businesses save both time and money. Singapore proved that in today's economy, efficiency is a competitive advantage, and sometimes it's worth even more than natural resources. So, what was Singapore's greatest natural resource? It wasn't oil, gas, or gold. It was vision, discipline, and decades of smart economic decisions. Singapore proved that countries don't become rich because of what they have. They become rich because of how they use what they have. A tiny island with almost no natural resources built one of the world's most successful economies, simply by earning the world's trust, creating value, and staying one step ahead. That's exactly how Singapore got so crazy rich. The real lesson isn't about Singapore alone. It's about the power of long-term thinking, smart policies, and consistent execution. In today's world, trust, innovation, and efficiency can be more valuable than any natural resource. Which country should we explore next? And what made it rich or poor? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Finance Logic. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.